Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from It for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Are crypto master bot 2 app brokers regulated? And in today's video we will speak about crypto master bot 2 trading software brokers. If you stay here until the end of this video, you will find out if all the brokers inside the crypto master bot 2 are regulated or not. So stay here until the end, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, I hope everybody's fine, everybody's well, and you stay safe home. And in today's video, as I told you, I will tell you about brokers inside the Crypto Master Bot 2 trading software, and I want to make also a live trading session with Crypto Master Bot 2, a new live trading session. As you can see here, my balance has increased. It's $13,250 at this moment, and the total profit is $23,250. Why? Because I already made a withdrawal of $10,000. I'll put a video somewhere here to see the withdrawal. And of course, everybody knows that whenever you are using a trading software, a trading app, they require you to many of them are free. Another apps are you have to pay for them. In this case, here Crypto Master Bot 2, it is free to use, but in order to be able to use it, you have to use the brokers that are working with Crypto Master Bot 2, and depending on area you reside, there are many brokers that are inside that you can use with Crypto Master Bot 2. For example, I am using Investus. Let's have a look a little bit on my Investus dashboard, and as you can see here, the balance is the same as it is into my Crypto Master Bot 2 dashboard account. And what I wanted to tell you is that if you want to see if a broker is regulated, I've been using so far two brokers, CTR Market and Investus. CTR Market also, it is a regulated broker, and of course Investus, it is also regulated. And if you want to see the regulation of a broker, you have to go on their landing page, on their main website, and if you go on the down of the page, you will see here the information if they are regulated or not. And as you can see here, Investus, it is regulated, authorized by Cyprus Security Exchange with CIF license number 277 on 15. So this is regulated by Cyprus by Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. Now, there might be other brokers which are not regulated, and if I have to think right now on one of them, let's say Eagle FX. It is a broker that I'm using, and there is no problem with them. You can go and use them with no problem, because I already made some withdrawals with them and they paid with no problem, but they are not regulated. And you see, this regulation is not every time an issue, because some of them may be regulated, but they are not paying. There are a lot of cases, and happened to me, that a broker was regulated, but they have stipulated very low, with a very small writing, that there are some issues regarding payment, they pay only via Bitcoin wallets or stuff like that, and you never read those small writing, and always can be a problem with such a with a regulated. So this is not always a problem with a broker being regulated or not. Of course, if you want, if it is better to be regulated, every time have to be regulated. So in order to answer to the question if the brokers inside the CryptoMaster Bot 2 are regulated, I don't know what to tell you. All the brokers I've been using so far with CryptoMaster Bot 2, they were regulated, but I don't know, depending on the area you reside. I told you that you may use other brokers, so you have to check them on their website. All right, so let's go and let's make some money today with CryptoMaster Bot 2. Let's have a look here. All you have to do with this trading software, for those of you who don't know it and you didn't saw my videos, my previous videos about CryptoMaster Bot 2, you have to choose here a signal inside this box with trading signals, and you need to choose a pair, a currency pair. I'm not trading too much cryptos in these days because there is a big volatility in the market. That's why I'm trading normal currencies. And all you have to do is click on the trade button, and the software will automatically place the trade into your broker account, your assigned broker account. So first thing first, if you want to use CryptoMaster Bot 2, go below this video in the description area and go and register to their official website, and then you have to choose a broker, and afterwards you need to fund that broker account with the minimum $250, and you're good to go. Go ahead and start making money by choosing signals from here, and that's it. You have to see my previous videos. As you can see here, I have a profit of $23,000 until now. I'm using this software for 3 months. I think in 3 months to make this amount of money is not a bad thing. Now, if you want to choose signals from here, don't choose signals with red, because they are expiring very soon, and you don't want to use a signal that is expiring right now. So don't go ahead and choose signals with green. As you can see here, this green circle. So we have here Euro GBP, but first thing first, don't forget to click on to put the trading software on. Here you can choose the assets. You see, you can select or deselect the assets, and for example, I don't want to receive cryptocurrencies signals, so I will deselect all these signals here, and in this way I will receive only signals with normal currency. So let's here also there are some signals you have to keep in mind. Daily stop loss and take profit, I will put it on $200 because my balance it's big. But if you start with $250, of course you cannot go with $200, and you have to choose $25, the minimum amount that you can trade with. And here also the maximum daily trades, maximum current trades, and daily take profit and daily stop loss. If you are starting right now, you can email me at chrisbrag@gmail.com, and I'll send you the settings that I've used when I starting with $250, because I start this account with $250, and now as you can see the profit is $23,250. Now let's go ahead and start making some money today, because we talk too much. Euro USD, Swiss franc Japanese yen, Australian dollar New Zealand dollar, Euro GBP, which is a sell. As you can see here, this is up, this arrow here, that means this is a buy, and this one it is a sell. Australian dollar US dollar, click on trade. GBP USD, and let's click this one also. These are the signals at this moment. Another one, but I think we have a lot of trades for today. As you can see, my balance has decreased because it is using from this money. Let's choose US dollar Swiss franc, and that's it for today. These are all the trades. I know from my experience that this will take some time in order to expire, so I will skip this video and I will be back in 1 second with the results of today's trading session. So stay here, don't go. Right guys, so I'm back with the results of today's trading session. So the trades start finished, and I have already 5 trades which are closed. So let's have a look here. For the moment we have 4 winning trades and 2 losing trades, and we have a profit of $400 as you can see here, and we still have 2 trades which needs to close very soon. So as you can see, we have Euro GBP, which is a sell and it is a losing trade. Australian dollar US dollar, it is a buy and it is a winning trade. GBP USD, which is a sell and it is a losing trade. And another one, it is a winning trade. New Zealand dollar US dollar, it is a winning trade. Euro US dollar, winning trade. Swiss franc Japanese yen, winning trade, $200. And Australian dollar New Zealand dollar, winning trade, as you can see here. So we are trading with $200. We set this on $200, stop loss, take profit, and of course we set the limit on $2,000 and $20 per day trades, 20 trades per day. Now the balance is $13,650. We have a $600 profit, and the last one, it is a winning trade also. Right, and let's have a look a little bit on trade on my investment on my broker, and as you can see the balance is reflected also here. So that's it, that's the video for today. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area. If you want to try CryptoMasterBot 2 trading software, I'll put a link below this video in the description area to be easier for you to access it. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice evening. Bye.